One of the scariest things about going into hospital to have your baby is just the fact that you don't know who's going to be there, you don't know the staff, and generally a hospital environment is fairly clinical. It's somewhere that you go when something is wrong or you need an operation. And yet you're going in there for one of the happiest days of your life to have your baby. There's also a lot of talk about the interventions that are available in hospital, and yet you've chosen to have your baby in the hospital because you want access to those interventions and you want to know that in the event of complications happening, that the correct staff are there with all the right equipment and expertise and experience to be able to use it. And that's exactly what you're going to get with this course. The Midwife Guide to Hospital Birth is exactly that, giving you the perspective of what happens during birth, when to go in to get the best possible chance of minimal intervention, but still feeling really safe at home, and then knowing how to navigate the hospital system and all the interventions and procedures and policies that will be offered to you. It is a foreign environment, but that doesn't mean that you can't learn, just like you do with anything else in your life, how to navigate that environment and how to feel really comfortable. You'll understand what your role is during birth and your partner's role, because your partner's role is incredibly important when you're having a hospital birth. In many ways, they are your advocates. And understanding the role of a doula if you choose to have one, and how they can help you in the hospital to navigate all of those unknowns. I'll see you on the inside and take you step by step to understand exactly how to have that beautiful, positive, and empowering birth experience in the hospital.